Hello lovely people, welcome to Eagle Eye Angle. You know we are in Christmas season, so we want to use this opportunity to thank you guys for how far you have brought us to. So we say Merry Christmas to each and every one out there. And as you see me sitting like this, it's all about the local dishes. So this hot afternoon, my family and I thought of it to prepare kunkunte with green soup for our Christmas. So we are not going in other way, we are just going locally. So this hot afternoon we are going to prepare kunkunte with green. And you know what, the meat I'm going to use is chicken and beef. Then I also have my porcupine, which I'll be adding to the chicken and beef to prepare my soup. You know what, I have my smoked fish. I'll be adding it to it as well. Then we have our kunkunte powder, which we've gotten it from cassava, which we are going to use it for our kunkunte. Then we can never prepare soup without garlic and ginger. So I have my garlic and ginger I'll be using for steaming. Then I also have onions, which I'll be adding it to it. Then I have my shrimp powder for my steaming. Then I have my green pepper. First I'm going to prepare green soup. I will need of green pepper. So I have my green pepper as well. Then we have okra. We'll be adding a little okra to our soup. So you have okra here. Then I also have my spices. First I'm going to prepare fresh meat. So I have 9 spices here, which I'll be adding it to my local spices for the steaming. So I have for our spices. Then I also have complete season. Then turmeric powder, I'll be adding them as well. In all, I have my salt to give me this. So please guys, no go nowhere, just sit at the corner, then you wait for me. At the end, you will love my food. But thank you, I know you guys are going to join me whilst I'm cooking. Let's start cooking. I'm removing the stems from the cocoa. Yeah. Please. So that we can wash it and go and put it on fire to steam it. Just dressing it. The stems are not needed. So we have to remove it like this. Then we use the leaves instead of the stems. Now our vegetables are on fire, which we are going to use to prepare our soup. So I've already added water to it. So we'll leave it on for it to steam before we use it. We are to add our ingredients to our meat, then we'll put it on fire to steam it. So I'm adding my shrimp powder to it, then my chopped onions, my blended ingredients, extra spices to give me nice flavor and taste. Then I do our red spices to give me nice taste. Then my salt to give us taste. Turmeric powder to give us nice color. Then we'll stir it like this and leave it down for some few minutes. Then I put it on fire. It's now on fire, so we'll leave it on for it to steam itself. Now the meat is ready, so I'm going to add my leaves to it, blended one. Wow, very green. So now I'll leave it on for some 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then I'll call it off. So we are about to cook our kunkunte. So when the water is boiling, then you add the powder to it. You stir it till it mold. So we are in the process of cooking our kunkunte or crisp brown. You take your time, if not that, it will be lamb. So you add the flour to it little by little, then you stir it. Now the food is ready, so I'm going to dish it out. Then my consumers association, they will join me to consume it. Thank you guys for cooking with me. But don't forget to subscribe, like, to share the video. Then you also leave your comments in the comment section. You know you guys have been doing a good job for us. Without you guys, we can never do Eagle Eye Angle. So continue to do the good job.
Merry Christmas.
Bring Joanie as a fetua, nature say, Namia Shroud. I was here. Sammy. Could you?
Cheers.
Yes. Wow. Now we are Tibruniano.
Make you repeat yourself.
No be done. You my dear. Can't come out with it.
Hello, Merry Christmas to you all. So boy, Jacob Naga guy. As you can see me, I'm celebrating the Christmas with my parents, or let's say my family. So I would like to invite you all to Eagle Eye Angle. Keep on sharing, keep on putting your notification bell. Don't ever mix it. You understand? This is a Jacob Naga guy. I'm with a person coin. You understand it? Okay, Charlie. God bless you all the time.
I'm Benny, and today is my first day experiencing this. I would like to encourage each and everyone out there to subscribe our handle and follow our videos and other stuff. Merry Christmas to you. Thank you.
Hello guys. As you know, this week is a special week. It has to do with enjoyment. And I choose to enjoy this food as part of the Christmas. So I have to enjoy. Please wait to the end. Goodbye.
Merry Christmas. Safi nyame bo ho ban ma fe betu sei na onya apesen kwan na wodi a ne che sa apesen kwan no ekoyi nche se Merry Christmas. Bye bye. Then and you feel me. Then nya Merry na Joseph. Then fun. Hey, who's my comedy?
And to budget card.
Merry Christmas.
Joseph Christmas.
No, Joseph.
In all, we are done with our eating. We've consumed everything. As we always say that we are the Consumers Association. My Consumers Association members, they don't disappoint me. Always they have been consuming the food for me. And I told you guys that Eagle Eye Angle is all about local dishes. And we are in Christmas season because of that. Today, I did special food for my family members by cooking abitie and then green soup. And you guys, I know you guys have joined me from the initial stage to the end. So please, if you want to cook this kind of food, just follow the steps. Then you can also do some in your houses. It's very delicious and it's very tasty. It's very you will love it because it contains a lot of protein. And one thing that is very interesting is that I didn't use only one meat or something like that to prepare the soup. I've combined a lot of meat. Then I use it for my soup. And the green leaves that I've used is not only one. No, let me tell you. Cassava leaves is inside. Water leaves is inside. The cocoyam leaves is inside. So I've added them together, and then at the end it gave me this nice looks food. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comment in our comment section. Then you also do one thing for me. Just press the notification bell. Whenever we post a video, you should be the first person to get a notification. We love you guys. We know without you guys we can never be Eagle Eye Angle. You are the people that have been encouraging us and supporting us to do the good job. Please continue to do it. And then we are going to 2025. I know you guys will help me to build this union together. And then at the end, I love you. Bye bye. Eagle Eye Angle. Subscribe.